Hi and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use NordVPN. This is a comprehensive tutorial. I'll walk you through NordVPN's interface, explain how to connect to a server and hide your IP address. I'll also cover the many available settings, such as the different VPN protocols, as well as the kill switch and split tunneling features. First of all, what exactly is NordVPN? NordVPN is a VPN service that provides a secure and anonymous internet connection, allowing you to browse privately, bypass geo-blocks, and protect your data from cyber threats, among other things. A VPN like NordVPN allows you to browse the web securely by encrypting your connection and hiding your IP address. This helps protect your privacy by preventing third parties like ISPs, advertisers, or cyber criminals from spying on or tracking your online activity. NordVPN has a network of over 7,600 VPN servers in 118 countries around the world. In addition to online privacy, the service also aims to protect against malware, intrusive ads, and other potential threats. NordVPN is available on Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. You can also use it on a smart TV, a gaming console, or even a router. One last thing, you can use it on up to 10 devices simultaneously, meaning you should be able to protect all your devices with a single subscription. If you're not subscribed to NordVPN yet, you can use our link vpn-club.com/nord or click the one below this video to take advantage of a special offer. With our link, you'll get a 70% discount and 1 GB of free eSIM data, just $3.39 per month with a 2-year plan, and you can use the promo code VCLUB for 1 extra free month. NordVPN offers a 30-day trial in the form of a money-back guarantee, so feel free to give it a try. There is absolutely nothing to lose. Now, here is NordVPN's interface. It's sleek and user-friendly. Personally, I really like the map. You can quickly connect to a server using the map or from this list of countries on the left side of the interface. There is a wide variety of countries. In Europe, of course, the UK, Germany, France, Spain, Italy, Belgium, Switzerland. In North America, the US, Canada, Mexico. In South America, Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, Chile. In Asia, Japan, South Korea, Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia. In Oceania, Australia, New Zealand. Let's try it out. As you can see here, my current IP address ends in .134. It locates me in Marseille, France. I'll choose a location. Let's go with the US, for example. I click here. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. And there we go. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from the US. Let me refresh this page. And there it is. I now have a new IP address, which locates me in the US. It's different from the one I had before. NordVPN has successfully hidden my real IP address. My new IP makes it appear as if I'm in the US, while in reality, I'm still in France. So let's say I want to access a service that's only available in the US. I can now do that. Any website I visit or app I use will think I'm in the US because of my American IP address. Let me disconnect. There is also a search function, of course, so you can quickly find a specific country. For countries with multiple city options, like the US, you can choose to connect to a VPN server in a specific city. Now, I've shown you how to connect to a server on the Windows app, but it's the exact same process on macOS, Android, and iOS. You also have access to specialized servers, double VPN to add an extra layer of encryption to your connection, obfuscated servers to hide the fact that you're using a VPN and better bypass restrictions and anti-VPN measures, Onion over VPN to benefit from the advantages of the Onion network combined with the added security of a VPN tunnel, P2P servers, which are dedicated servers for peer-to-peer downloads. Optionally, NordVPN allows you to get a dedicated IP address. This feature is especially useful if you need a consistent IP for online gaming, remote work, and so on. Before talking about settings, let's go over the available features. Under threat protection, you'll find anti-malware to block malicious files, advanced browsing protection to block malicious websites, and ad and tracker blocker to block ads and trackers, as the name suggests. With file transfers, you can securely and privately send files. The recipient receives them directly via an encrypted peer-to-peer connection. You must enable MeshNet to use this feature. Speaking of MeshNet, MeshNet lets you securely access other devices. Once set up, it works like a secure local network, connecting devices directly, ideal for tasks requiring high speed, low latency, and strong security, like file sharing, remote teamwork, or multiplayer gaming. Finally, dark web monitoring. This alerts you if your sensitive data is exposed online. In short, NordVPN scans for leaked data linked to your email address, like passwords, contacts, or other personal info, and notifies you if anything is found. Now let's talk about the settings. There is a kill switch feature that automatically cuts your internet connection if your VPN connection drops. This ensures your personal data is not accidentally exposed and that your privacy is protected at all times. There is also split tunneling, which lets you choose which apps should use a VPN and which can access the internet directly. For example, if you want to use a VPN for torrenting but browse the web using your regular connection, you can add your BitTorrent client here. Here in the connection settings, you can choose a specific protocol. Auto, let NordVPN decide. NordLynx, OpenVPN, or NordWhisper. NordLynx is NordVPN's protocol based on WireGuard. It offers high performance thanks to double NAT technology while preserving user privacy and security. It's a great choice for those seeking both speed and security. OpenVPN is the most common and secure protocol. It's open source and adaptable. It's ideal for securing your information, especially when accessing online banking or using public Wi-Fi. NordWhisper is a VPN protocol developed by NordVPN to help users connect securely from networks that typically restrict or block traditional VPN traffic. It employs web tunnel technology to mimic regular web traffic, making it more difficult for network filters to detect and block the VPN connection. So you can choose a protocol that suits you best. You can also configure AutoConnect on Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or mobile networks. You can choose to keep the VPN connection running in the background even when the app is closed to stay protected. You can use a custom DNS. You can also stay invisible on LAN, making your device invisible on the local network, whether the VPN is active or not. You can also allow remote access while connected to the VPN, for example, using remote desktop applications. Let's move to the general settings, which you can access here. You can choose to launch the app when Windows starts, or to launch it minimized to the system tray so it runs without opening the main window. You can show the VPN status notifications when you connect or disconnect from a server. You can also enable the MeshNet file sharing option in the Windows context menu, if you're using Windows of course. That way you can right-click a file and select Send with NordVPN MeshNet to start the transfer. Then you have appearance settings, light or dark mode, and language. The NordVPN interface is available in English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and many other languages. You can run diagnostic here and allow or block background processes. Some are required for certain features to work, like kill switch for example. So there are many settings to fine-tune your VPN experience. If you're a beginner, don't worry, you don't need to know all these settings. If you're downloading via peer-to-peer, I recommend enabling kill switch. If you're having trouble bypassing a specific geo-block, try switching VPN protocols. Other settings, apart from the general ones, are more for advanced or curious users. Just a reminder, if you're not yet subscribed to NordVPN, you can use our link vpn-club.com/nord or click the one below this video to take advantage of a special offer. With our link, you'll get a 70% discount and 1 GB of free eSIM data for only $3.39 per month with a 2-year plan. And don't forget, you can use the promo code VCLUB for 1 month free. NordVPN comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so don't hesitate to give it a try. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. You now know how to use NordVPN. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, if you found it useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications. Thanks and see you next time.